Hello and welcome. If you've been feeling like you need a moment of peace and connection amidst the chaos of daily life, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through a simple but powerful 5-minute meditation designed to help you experience a quick spiritual awakening. This is your time to step away from the noise, center yourself, and reconnect with the deeper parts of who you are. You don't need any special tools or a long stretch of time, just an open mind and the willingness to slow down for a few moments. Let's start by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down. It could be on a chair, a cushion, or even your bed. The key is to be in a position where you can relax fully, but also stay alert. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, letting the air fill your lungs completely. Hold it for just a second, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you do, let your shoulders drop and release any tension you might be holding onto. At this moment, I want you to focus on the simple act of breathing. Notice how the air feels as it enters your body, cool and refreshing, and how it feels as it leaves, warm and calming. Let each breath guide you deeper into relaxation, allowing your mind to quiet down. The thoughts that usually swirl around, your to-do lists, worries, or stresses, can take a back seat for now. If a thought pops up, that's okay. Just acknowledge it and let it float away like a cloud drifting across the sky. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to the space in the center of your chest, where your heart is. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing there. This light represents your inner self, your soul, the part of you that is connected to something greater. As you breathe in, visualize this light growing brighter and stronger. With each exhale, feel the light expanding, spreading warmth and peace throughout your body. Allow yourself to be enveloped by this feeling of calm and presence. Now, let's take a moment to set an intention. An intention is a simple thought or desire that can guide you through your meditation. It can be anything that feels right to you at this moment. Maybe you want to feel more connected to yourself, or perhaps you're seeking clarity on a decision or challenge in your life. Whatever it is, hold that intention gently in your mind without forcing it. Allow it to simply be there, resting like a pebble on the bottom of a still pond. With your intention set, we'll move into a state of deeper awareness. This part of the meditation is about awakening to the present moment, letting go of the past, and not worrying about the future. Just be here, right now. As you breathe, feel the energy of the present moment surrounding you. There's no need to rush or push, let the awareness come to you naturally. In this quiet space, notice how everything slows down, how the distractions of the outside world fade away. All that exists is this moment, and in this moment, you are connected to the flow of life itself. As you continue to meditate, you may begin to feel a sense of expansion, as if your awareness is growing beyond your body. This is a subtle but profound shift. It's the moment where you start to connect with the infinite, the part of you that is timeless and limitless. You are more than just your thoughts, your body, or your emotions. You are a being of light, and that light is connected to everything around you. The trees, the sky, the earth, the people in your life, everything is part of a larger, beautiful web of existence. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, and notice how much calmer and centered you feel compared to when you started. Take one last deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and as you exhale, imagine yourself grounding back into your body, into the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes a little, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. That's it. You've just completed a 5-minute meditation that allowed you to connect with your deeper self and experience a moment of spiritual awakening. Even though it was brief, the effects of this practice can ripple out into the rest of your day, helping you feel more grounded, more present, and more at peace with yourself. Now that you've taken this time to connect, you might notice a shift in how you see the world around you. Maybe colors look a bit brighter, or sounds seem a little clearer. This is the result of aligning yourself with the present moment, of quieting the noise of the mind and opening up to the richness of life as it unfolds. Note, this practice is always available to you. You don't need a special place or a specific time to meditate. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, stressed, or disconnected, you can take just a few minutes to come back to your breath, center yourself, and reconnect with the deeper part of you. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to tap into this state of calm and awareness, even in the midst of a busy day. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming to be effective. Even just a few minutes of mindful breathing can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. It's all about consistency and intention. The more you prioritize moments of stillness and reflection, the more you'll start to see the benefits in your everyday life. Over time, this simple practice can lead to greater clarity, inner peace, and a deeper sense of purpose. You may find that you become less reactive to stressful situations, more compassionate toward yourself and others, and more in tune with the flow of life. Spiritual awakening isn't always about grand, earth-shattering realizations. Sometimes, it's as subtle as a shift in perspective or a quiet knowing that you are part of something much larger than yourself. As you go about your day today, take with you the peace and presence you've cultivated during this meditation. Notice how it changes the way you interact with the world, whether it's through a kind word to someone you meet, or simply the way you approach your tasks with more ease and less stress. This sense of awareness and connection is the gift of meditation, and it's one that you can carry with you wherever you go. I encourage you to return to this practice as often as you need. Meditation is a tool for self-discovery, healing, and awakening. Each time you sit in stillness, you're strengthening your connection to your higher self and to the energy of the universe. And remember, this is a journey, not a destination. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. What matters is that you show up for yourself, take the time to tune in, and allow whatever needs to arise to come through with love and acceptance. So, whenever you feel ready, come back to this space. Each time you meditate, you'll deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you. And that, in itself, is a beautiful and powerful experience. In addition to the emotional benefits, this practice can also enhance your sense of purpose and direction. When your mind is calm and clear, you're more likely to make decisions that align with your true values and desires. You might feel more in tune with the flow of life, more connected to your intuition, and more aware of the opportunities around you. Meditation opens a doorway to inner wisdom, allowing you to trust yourself more deeply. This trust, in turn, helps you navigate challenges with greater confidence and resilience. Moreover, incorporating these brief moments of stillness into your day can lead to heightened creativity and problem-solving abilities. When the mind is free from distractions, it has space to explore new ideas and perspectives. Solutions that once seemed elusive might suddenly appear, as if out of nowhere. This creative flow is one of the many gifts of spiritual awakening, reminding you that the answers you seek are often already within you, waiting to be discovered. You might also notice that your relationships with others begin to shift in a positive way. When you are more grounded and centered, you naturally bring that calm energy into your interactions. You may find yourself being more patient, more compassionate, and more understanding of those around you. This, in turn, strengthens your connections with others, creating a ripple effect of peace and harmony in your life. Ultimately, spiritual awakening isn't about reaching some final destination or achieving a state of perfection. It's about deepening your awareness of the present moment, cultivating a sense of inner peace, and living with greater authenticity and purpose. Through these small, daily practices, you are reconnecting with the essence of who you truly are, a being of light, capable of experiencing profound love, joy, and fulfillment. Now that we've explored this practice together, it's time to wrap up with a few thoughts. As you step back into the flow of your day, take with you the sense of peace and clarity that this meditation has offered. And if you found this experience helpful, I'd love for you to take a moment to support this channel. First, if this meditation resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a simple action, but it helps spread the message to others who might need this moment of peace just as much as you did. Second, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with all the future meditations and insights we share, helping you maintain a regular practice that supports your growth and well-being. Third, if you know someone who could benefit from a quick spiritual awakening or a moment of calm, feel free to share this video with them. The power of meditation multiplies when it's shared with others, and you never know how much a simple gesture like this could impact someone's life. Fourth, I'd love for you to leave a comment below and share your experience. What did you feel during this meditation? How did it help you reconnect with yourself? Your thoughts and feedback are valuable, and they help create a space where we can all learn and grow together. And make sure to hit the notification bell after subscribing. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future content, and you'll be the first to know when new meditations are available to guide you on your journey toward inner peace and spiritual growth. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. Your presence and your commitment to your own well-being are deeply appreciated. I hope this practice has brought a sense of calm and clarity to your day, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you in future videos. So, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share, and click the bell for more content that nurtures your soul and helps you awaken to the beautiful life you're meant to live.